Hello, I'd like to show you how to make these cute little hearts. They're really quick make. To start with, make a magic circle and all of your stitches will be worked into this circle. So the first one will be chain 1, then you will be doing 3 treble stitches, so yarn over twice, and then pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, another treble, 1, 2, 3, and one more treble. Next we're making 3 double crochet stitches, yarn over once, pull through again. So 3 of these, that's the second one, and one more. Now you chain 1, make a treble stitch, chain 1 and 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. And you make another 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and slip stitch back into the circle. Now you just have to pull your magic circle to close it. Fast enough, and cut your yarn. And you've done your little heart. And all you've got left to do now is just get your yarn needle, hide the ends